Now look here, we're gonna have to have a conversation. Don't be telling my husband I be doing stuff, okay? Cause the moment he find out that I know how to do stuff, he gonna make me do it. But he bought me this really cute little drill with bits from, I want to say like Home Depot. I think it was Lowe's. I think it was Lowe's because he worked with them. So yeah, don't be telling him my business now. Don't be telling him that. Don't be telling him. Hey guys, how are you doing? So I am here to bring you a pantry update. I finally found somebody to come in and actually do the pantry. Now, in previous videos and previous posts on Facebook, which I will include links to below or above, whichever platform you're on, I did a initial makeover with baskets, and then I wanted to get a actual physical unit installed. Now, I've been searching for about 2 years for a custom cabinet maker. And the reason why is because I wanted a 100% custom closet. Closets by Design and California Closets and anyone else that uses a manufacturer, that is considered semi-custom. What semi-custom does is they give you a list of configurations that you can utilize, but the shelving is flexible, so you can take it out and reposition it however you see fit for your needs, to fit your needs for that time and design. However, with 100% custom, it's a fixed shelving unit, and you get the ability to add and take away items as you see fit. And what I wanted was 100% custom because of the height and the width and the configurations that I could do. So I will include below some of the other options that I entertained, which did not make the cut, obviously, because I've been searching for about 2 years now, and I finally found an amazing guy. His name is Ali, to come and do the closet, to do this closet and my master closet. This video is specifically about the pantry, which I am going to get into more detail about. But today you're going to watch me empty this closet, get it ready for install, and then in another video, I'm going to record him and his people, I guess, coming back to actually install the unit. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about, custom closets, semi-custom closets, and how to navigate the terrain, please do not hesitate to hit me below, or you can IM me directly. So I hope that you enjoy this content. Let's get into the video. Okay, so as you can see, there is full damage going on in the closet. So up here at the top, we're supposed to be for larger items that I don't use on the daily basis. The middle shelf is for stored items. Down here was supposed to be for snacks and salad garnishments. And at the bottom was supposed to be for just general storage. So I will be listing everything below in the description box where I got everything from. So if you have any more questions outside of that, then let me know. is all the damage of what came out of this pantry and my kitchen. This whole area just is in so much need of prayer and fasting. But usually what I do, I usually take this time to go through all the items and see what I'm missing, what I need to stop back up on. I'm a huge tea and coffee drinker, so of course I need to redo my coffee station and tea station to kind of spruce that up. My breakfast bin down here needs some help. The cutleries and the plasticware that everybody just so need to have needs some help. This is my baking bin. Lord knows this needs some help too, but it's there. And I usually do go and buy boxes of cereal like this, the individual ones, so that the kids can kind of just grab them and go. Because I always have children at my house, especially in the morning times. So, yeah, let's finish this process. Yeah, so I just went hunting. I in my husband's dang on man bag, honey. I tell you what, if this man buy one more goddamn drill, he's got, I just went and counted 5 cotton picking electric drills. What does one person need with all those drills? What you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Smith? God. Okay, y'all. My husband home. Maurice home. We're gonna see what he say about this mess I done made, and we're gonna see if he can fix this contraption that's going on here. We're almost done, but yeah, this my natural habitat, and it's a mess.
Because what's the point in taking all this off?
It's clean now. And look, I got this off.
Why are you messing with stuff you don't know?
Yes, I did. I do know. Look, I even used my pink thing. See, I used it.
What was the point in taking it? You didn't even need to take that off at this point.
Because I gotta clean it out. Cause
There was no point in
I
taking
wanna
it
paint
off.
it. Alright, y'all. This is a great example of me stressing Uncle Brother Reese smooth out, okay? I was so tickled because I kept telling him, like, look, I want to get it done, I want to get it done. And he kept dragging his feet. So y'all get to see him being completely upset with me, starting something I know his OCD gonna have to finish. Mess in my natural habitat was so authentic. You were so disgusted. That's not funny, but it's funny. Look, he mad. Look at him. He mad. After he finally got over being so upset with me and disgusted, this is our pantry 2 years later. Yeah, I should have been put this video out, but girl, let me tell it to you. I've been busy, okay?